India's biggest weekly scholarship test for IIT JEE aspirant. You can win 4 crore worth scholarship. Combat IIT JEE is back again. You can use my code CharanYT and use the link in the description for this particular test. And every Sunday you will be having test at 11 a.m. So this is about the test. You will get live leaderboard ranking, 60 minutes, 21 questions, 4 crore plus worth scholarship, separate contest for target 2021, 2022 and 2023. Every Sunday at 11 am you can use my code CharanYT. So register now using the link in the description and don't forget to use my code CharanYT. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Saicharan Malayala. I think this particular video will really help the students who are in dilemma to choose whether Sastra or Amruta or WIT or SRM. So previously I made a video regarding MIT versus WIT versus SRM. If you didn't watch that particular video, go and watch that particular video. Now I am going to compare each and everything coming to student intake, NRF ranking, establishment year, campus area and average placement, fee structure, and at last I am going to give you the positives and negatives about each and every college, and at the end of this particular video I will be giving my opinion. So whether if I were in your situation, what college I would choose. And so without taking much time, let's get into the video. And before going into the video, everyone please do like, and also if you didn't subscribe yet, do subscribe. So a very good content is going to come on your way. So yeah, chalo then let's get into the video. Before starting the video, a small disclaimer for all of you guys. This video is just made for an educational purpose only, and the purpose of the video is not to defame any brand or college. The informations are collected from the official website of that particular college and through Quora and with interaction with the students of that particular colleges and through College Pravesh, Shiksha websites and many more. Amruta versus Sastra versus SRM versus WIT. So this is one of the most requested video. So as I promised that I will be giving you the video. So the video is here at last, and now it's your turn to share this particular video. And coming to the main important thing, if we talk about the establishment year, so Amruta is established in 94, that is 1994, Sastra is 1984, WIT is 84 and SRM is also 85. So the establishment of these three colleges, Sastra, WIT and SRM are almost same. And now coming to NRF ranking, if we talk about NRF ranking, Coimbatore campus, which is main campus, its NRF ranking is 13 in overall category and 20. So Amrutapuri campus in engineering category it is 20. Now coming to Sastra, the NRF ranking is 37 and WIT it is 15 and SRM it is 41. And I request you guys, don't just depend on NRF ranking. NRF has many things to consider, so don't just rely on NRF ranking and choose your college. And now coming to campus location, Amruta has total 7 campuses and one more is under construction as far as I know. One is Coimbatore and Amrutapuri and Kochi, Bengaluru, Mysore, Chennai, Amravati. So these are the campus for Amruta. And now coming to Sastra, Tanjavur, which is the main campus, then Kumbakonam. Now coming to WIT, Vellore, Chennai, Bhopal, Amravati. And coming to SRM, KTR, Ramapuram, NCR, Amravati, Vadapalini. So Vadapalini is also in Chennai. So yeah, now coming to area of main campus, coming to Amruta's main campus is 400, and I really personally like, out of all these campuses, I really like the Amruta's campus. Coming to Amrutapuri campus, it will be just beside the backwaters of Kerala. You will see really very good, beautiful campus, and also Coimbatore campus is also full of greenery, and that is also one of the beautiful campus you can get. And now coming to Sastra, it is 168 acres. This is also full of greenery. And WIT, coming to WIT, 372 acres. It is like a mini city. And now coming to SRM, it is 250 acres. So coming to that is KTR, it is 250 acres. And KTR campus is very near to the beach. And Ramapuram campus will be in the city. So yeah. Now coming to entrance exams. So coming to Amruta, so they usually give exam like seats through AEEE, management and JEE. There will be separate management quota in Amruta also. You can check for that. Now coming to Sastra, so previously 70% seats were given for stream 1. Stream 1 will be JEE plus boards, and stream 2 will be only 30% boards. So this year as boards were cancelled, we don't know what like criteria they are going to follow for admission process. So once they updated, I will surely update you with a video. So you can apply for Sastra also. It is one of the prestigious institute. Now coming to WIT, it will be VIT EEE, and now coming to SRM JEE, as you all know, and this year they have included the plus 2 marks also. So with plus 2 marks also they have given, so plus 2 board marks also they have given the seat to some students, those who already like those who took drop year and applied for SRM JEE. So for them, based on plus 2 marks, they gave you the admission. Now coming to fee structure, Amruta will be 10 lakhs to 14 lakhs, and there will be different slabs. Out of 4 to 5 slabs, I would say first 3 slabs will be best, which will reduce your fees, and try for that, give your best in the exam. And now coming to Sastra, it will be so, compared to all other private universities, this is one of the university which takes very less fees, but the return of investment will be very high compared to in Sastra. So fees will be 5.5 lakhs to 9 lakhs. So depends on the hostel. So if you take 2-in-1 hostel, I mean 2 members in a room hostel, the cost will be more. And if you take 5 members in one room, the cost will be less. So based on your wish, you can select that. So that is why I kept a variation in the fee structure, that is 5.5 to 9 lakhs. Now coming to WIT, so approximately 12 to 30 lakhs. I guess I need not to talk much about WIT fees, because you already guys know that category 1 to 3 are best. It varies from 12 to 30 lakhs, depends on the category in which you are getting admitted. So please check that. I would suggest you guys to choose at least 1, 2, 3 categories, don't go beyond that. Now coming to SRM JEE, approx will be like 14 to 22 lakhs, and try for scholarships. If you get 500 below rank, you will get scholarship for the first year, and for the next years based on your CGPA in first year, second year, the preceding year, you will get the scholarship. And the deadline for phase 2 is June 20, and exams are going to conduct on 29 and 30 of June 2021. Now coming to student intake, here Amruta will be 3,500 students, and come 2,000 students in Sastra, and coming to WIT it is 7,500, and it may vary also. And coming to SRM, 6,000. Coming to average salary, here Sastra is performing really well. It is an #1 position in compared to all these colleges. So Amruta has 5.8 lakh as an average package, and WIT has 6 lakhs as an average package. SRM has 4.5 as an average package. So this is how the average packages are. Now coming to courses offered by Amruta: aerospace, chemical, civils, computer science, electrical and electronics, ECE, EIE, instrumentation, mechanical engineering. So coming to Sastra: aerospace, bioengineering, bioinformatics, biotechnology, chemical, civil, CSC with business, CSC, and with AI and data science, with cybersecurity and blockchain, IoT and automation. These are all the CSC specializations. You can check all these. So these are all the branches which are offered by Sastra. And WIT. So you can also see WIT. So these are all the branches which are offered by WIT. And now coming to SRM, these are all the just small, only I guess only 20% of the branches offered by SRM I mentioned here. So SRM offers various specialization. You can check more in their website, so we will get an exact idea on the courses offered by them. Now coming to infrastructure and facilities, so mostly almost all these colleges have all these things, but I would say like scheduled services is not available in Sastra and Amruta. Coming to WIT and SRM, they are there. So I would say most of all of the things private universities do offer all these kind of infrastructure and facilities. So now let us talk about positives about all these 4 colleges. Coming to Amruta, Amruta has very beautiful campuses. I would say out of all these, I would go for Amruta for the regarding beautiful campuses, and then mainly Coimbatore and Amrutapuri, decent placements, big library, good coding culture. And coming to social service, this Amruta University Vishwavidyapeetham is founded by Mata Amrutanandamayi. So they really do a lot of social services. Student can also be part of those social services, and highest number of PhDs Amruta has. And then value education. So not only just theoretical knowledge, Amruta will also teach you value education. Now coming to Sastra, beautiful campuses. Now and then decent placements, good coding culture. So I think I already added it for 2 times, so no issues. 2 big research labs. Okay, so if you want to perform any research, you can go. There won't be any restrictions you to go and do experiments there. Anyone can go there. 2 big research labs will be there, and you are allowed to do research on your area of interest. So that is one of the good thing, the positive about Sastra. And great exposure and clubs. So clubs will be very good in Sastra. Now coming to WIT, racing firms. So for example, buggy, EV and F1 cars preparation, if you are interested in that particular thing. So mainly the mechanical engineering students, you can actively participate. Not only mechanical, we can other students also can participate, but the more scope will be to the mechanical engineering students. And then decent placements, great exposure, students across different countries, you will find them. And then clubs and fests will be really good in WIT, high speed Wi-Fi, great exposure and good coding culture. And coming to SRM, the one of the best thing which I liked is Chennai City Life. and then comes to good placements, and SRM has a very good tie-up with good big MNCs, and clubs and fests, great exposure and good coding culture. Now let us move on to the negatives of all these colleges. Now coming to negatives, strict rules. Coming to Amruta, very strict rules. So ID and uniform should be must, and should come to the class before prayer. So there will be morning prayer. Right before that you should reach the class, and you should do all those things, and then gate pass for going out. So if you want to go out, you should like ask for the gate pass. If they give, and if they issue, only you can go out. And now coming to no non-veg, and Wi-Fi issues will be there, and clubs. Main thing in Amruta, you won't find any clubs. And also in Amruta I can add fests also. So very like regarding fests, we can take it as a negative point in Amruta. Now coming to negatives about Sastra, food will be okay, no non-veg, and you should really manage, like adjust with the food. The food in Sastra. Now coming to fest, so they won't be having any fest. So these two colleges are little bit different coming to other private universities regarding fest. But in Sastra, clubs are good, but in Amruta both clubs and fest will not be that great. Now coming to Wi-Fi issues, so Wi-Fi issues will be there, and restrictions. So mainly for girls. So for boys also they do have the restrictions, but for girls the restrictions will be very like more, it seems. And then city life, they will really miss the city life, because it is 15 kilometers away from Tanjavur and 30 kilometers away from Trichy. Now coming to VIT, so VIT Vellore, huge crowd. So you will see huge crowd, and then more restrictions in campus. So this is one of the thing. And then high fees will be very high, and we will miss the city life. This is also very long from the city, so you will also miss the city life. But of course inside itself, the campus itself will be like a mini city. So yeah. Now coming to SRM, Wi-Fi issues will be there, and ROAs is like the fees which students are paying, and the return means the packages which students are getting. So the return on investment is very less in SRM when compared to all these colleges. So yeah guys, these are the negatives about all these 4 colleges. Coming to my final verdict, that is my opinion. So if I were in your situation to choose between the 4 colleges which we discussed in the video, and plus one more college, Manipal Institute of Technology, out of these 5 colleges, what will be my order of choosing? And this is totally purely based on my opinion, and I am not suggesting you, or I am not asking you to follow the same order. So it may vary to person. So now coming to my previous video, where I have said MIT would be greater than, WIT greater than, and SRM. So the reason for this, WIT and MIT almost they have similar packages and everything. Only thing why I kept MIT in front of WIT is, so I personally don't like huge crowds. Now coming to here, so in this particular video, so let me give the numberings first, 1 2 3 4 and 5. So I will surely keep SRM at the last position, and Sastra at the first position. So as the fees is less, and placements are really good when compared to all other colleges. And one more important thing about Sastra, you may ask me, there are many negatives like restrictions and food, right? So food and restrictions can be easily manageable. So we are 20 now, so we are at the age of 20, we can easily manage those things, so that won't create a much problem for myself actually. Now next, second position, third position, fourth position would be, so my second position would be surely for Manipal, and fourth position will be surely for WIT, and third position will be Amruta. So I can say that these 3 colleges are almost similar. Only thing is Amruta, so keeping Amruta ahead of WIT is strength is less, and the placements are same as WIT and Manipal. And only thing is, one more important thing is beautiful campuses compared to WIT, because I really like the Kerala backdrop, and also Coimbatore campus is full of greenery. So that is one more important thing. And fees is less when compared to WIT. And one more important thing is, so Amruta will also focus on value education. So when compared to WIT, so I feel that is also one advantage in Amruta. So you can interchange any changes in between you. So I would fix these 2 positions. So for myself, and here in these 3 colleges, so this is my tentative. So in future it may change. At present, this is my order. So of these 5 colleges. That's all for this video. If you find this as a time worthy video, please do like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye bye.